everyone, welcome back to my channel. Can you tell I wasn't planning to film today? I thought about skipping this video, but to be honest, I think I'm at the end of my Operation Nail Growth journey. I think this round 2 was a raging success. I got some of the best results I've gotten in a long while, and I wanted to kind of wrap up this mini series so that anyone who's been participating can have a little bit of closure. So this is technically week 8. I've been growing my nails out for 2 months at this point, and they're at really my ideal length. I'll give you a view right now. They are just long enough. I tried to shape them into almonds, and honestly, I think they're maybe a little too pointy. I don't know about you, but sometimes my fingernails, when they're dry, they almost curl in a little bit, which is why I prefer the almond shape, because the squares never look like squares on me. But even still with the almonds, I get that, so they look a little more pointy than they actually are. This was the manicure that I painted during my live manicure last week, so it is like a week and a half old at this point. I'm hoping I can ride it out another week before I go on vacation. So I'm going to be going away in a couple of weeks, and I want to do a fresh mani then, just kind of reshape, refile, do a fresh gel, and pick a fun color. Or maybe not a fun color. I actually have this like pearly white in mind, but we'll see what I'm feeling then. But if you've been following this journey, you know that I've pretty much been consistent with all of the things I've been doing. And I just wanted to round up the main things that have helped me grow my nails this time around. So first things first is regular manicures. A regular manicure once a week, once every other week really helps keep my nails in good shape. Once they start to get a little length on them, I do convert to gel. And I've always found in all my years that gel manicures help me grow my nails the fastest. They just serve as an added protective layer, helps to keep them stronger and give me that length I'm really looking for. They're definitely more prone to breaking if I don't use gel. I'm not saying you have to use gel, but my nails have always been naturally very weak and brittle no matter what I do. I'm positive that all the things I do to encourage longer, stronger nails helps, but at the end of the day, you really can't fight with genetics. So there's only so much I can do, and gel helps balance that for me. Second is cuticle oil. I sing the praises of cuticle oil all the time. I have my own cuticle oil, you guys know. I love it and use it all day, every day. And last week I released my product with an eyedropper. So originally it was sold with a brush. You can still order it with a brush, but now you have the option to get the eyedropper, which in my opinion is kind of my jam these days. It's so much easier to use. You don't even need to drip beads of oil onto your nails. You just kind of dab. Let me show you. So like you can fill the dropper up, but as the first bead comes out, you just kind of like tap it on your nails and just lightly pinch the top. So there's no need to really squeeze product. So look, like nothing came out of the dropper. So it's definitely gonna help prolong your bottle. It'll keep you from using too much product. And I don't know, I just have so many great things to say about it. So my sweet almond cuticle oil is for sure one of my major nail growth hacks. Even if you're not trying to grow your nails, it's just gonna keep your natural nails looking fresh, hydrated. Your cuticles are gonna be smooth and clean. No hangnails, no dryness. It's just, like, I love them. The results speak for themselves. The next thing that I think has contributed to this particular nail growth journey is my diet. Overall, my diet has been pretty well balanced. I'm also pregnant right now, so I'm making an extra conscious effort to eat pretty clean most of the time. Can't say I haven't snuck an ice cream or two in there. Lots of fruits, lots of veggies, lots of protein. I think that all really helps. In addition to that, lots of water. So when you're pregnant, you're supposed to drink a ton of water. When you're not pregnant, you're supposed to drink a ton of water. It has been a lifelong battle for me. I'm always trying to figure out how to consume more water during the day. And I got my Hydra Peak a few months ago, maybe back in April or so. And this has 1000% contributed to me drinking way more water. It keeps it cold if you like your water cold. I shoot for 2 of these a day. 3 is like more than enough, but 2 is the goal. And then the last thing I put on the list, which I can't imagine is not contributing to the growth, is my prenatal vitamin. I've been taking a prenatal for probably over a year at this point. However, I'm not gonna put too much stock in that because I have grown my nails to this exact length and shape many times before. I think it's probably just helping me along the journey. So that is it. That was 8 weeks of nail growth. Actually, it's really crazy how fast 8 weeks has flown by. I don't know about you, but like, where did the time go? That's like 2 months. Pretty wild, but very exciting. I'm sure I'll do another round of this, maybe towards the end of the year. If you're into that, let me know in the comments below. Of course, let me know how you're doing on your journey. If you're still in the middle of it, if you had any setbacks, if you think you're done. But as for now, this is a wrap on Operation Nail Growth round 2 for 2023. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.